Centuries ago in Japan, Nylok monsters invaded our world, but samurai warriors defeated them with power symbols passed down from parent to child. Today, the evil Nylok have risen once again and plan to flood the earth. Luckily, a new generation of heroes stand in their way. They are the Power Rangers Samurai.
47, 48, 49, 50! Ready or not, here I come! Brian, Jimmy, where are you? Brian?
A gap is an entrance and exit between the Netherworld and ours. Do not peek in, for on the other side is the home of the evil Nylok.
Run! Get away from here!
Look before you, Moogers! This is the 18th leader of the Samurai Power Rangers. Descendant of the man who destroyed your masters years ago. You have two choices. Retreat now, or become rust on his blade.
Don't bother. I don't want them to retreat. I want to take them for a spin. Time to turn up the heat! Samurai forever! Jaden!
Nia!
Mike! Kevin!
Emily!
Antonio!
Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Rangers together! Samurai forever! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Rangers together! Samurai forever!
Wonderful. I'm so proud that the boy I've devoted my life to training has grown to be a master samurai and is ready to lead others into battle.
But I'm used to fighting alone. I don't want to put anyone else in danger.
The Nylok attacks are escalating. More and more of them are coming across to do their evil.
Sure, and if any more Moogers dare pay us a visit, they'll get a taste of my spin sword.
Do not underestimate the power of Master Xandred if he awakens. His Nylok legions are too much for one person, even one as strong as you. Teams of samurai have battled this evil for centuries.
I'm really supposed to lead a team?
It's what your training has prepared you for. There are 4 others who have trained for these dark days, and they await the call to join you and to fight as Samurai Rangers.
I understand. I'll do whatever it takes.
And so will I. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, I've got a lump in my throat. Is what I hear the master's boat? It's good to be on board again. So, Daiju, where's the big red one? Come on, answer me. Just where is that barnacle of a boss? Where's Master Zandred? Out with it!
Octoroo, I get it. You missed him.
Come on, tell me, please. You're the only one who knows. We've been without our leader for so long. We need him back. Sure, he's mean to me, but that's just boss being boss.
Silence, you fool! I have a splitting headache this morning. So zip those lips, unless you want to spend the rest of your life untying those noodles you call a face.
Ooh, you're pretty grumpy for someone talented enough to talk with his mouth closed. You two, quickly! Give him his medicine to ease his neck and noggin.
Hurry up!
That should help. You'll be back to normal in no time. Feel better?
Ugh. I don't even want to think about what I had to endure because of those lousy samurai rangers. Good thing I destroyed them all.
Oh, great Master Zandred. How should I say this? I thought you knew about the Rangers. They survived.
Are you joking?
What? Those brats defeated me!
Ooh, calm down, Master.
Oh, yeah. Let's get this party started. I see that Master Zandred is back in charge. So let's celebrate.
It's unbelievable! How did those brats defeat me?
Forget celebrating to you. That mouth on your skirt is as ugly as Master Zandred's mood.
Hey, if anybody here got hit with the ugly stick, it would be you.
Listen, the best way to welcome the boss back is to jump through a gap and freak out some humans.
Is that right, boss?
Do it. Then I'll make those samurai rangers regret the day they messed with Master Zandred.
Son.
Dad!
I wanted to wish you good luck for your final meet.
Final meet?
G, the mentor to the Red Ranger, has told me the time is near. You have always trained with discipline and honor, knowing that it is your destiny to join the Power Rangers.
Proudly.
Now, you must stand united with them, no matter how great the challenge. You will not be alone. There are others who also await the call.
Come on. Almost got him. Booyah! I own this cave.
Moogers! Get him!
Jaden! Master Zandred must have awakened. A new breed of Nylok, more powerful than ordinary Moogers, have mobilized. You cannot wait any longer. The time has come to summon your team of samurai rangers.
Are you sure I'm ready to lead?
One samurai is strong, but a team is unbeatable. Just remember your father's words as he left for his final battle.
This is to be yours. One day the great responsibility of being the Red Ranger will fall to you. Remember, protect the world from evil. Stand by your allies, and never run from a battle.
Master Zandred's on the move! Come on, we've got to go! Samurai Rangers, let's finish this! You're right, G. I'll never forget his last words. I must not fail. I am the Red Ranger.
The other Rangers have spent their whole lives preparing to fulfill their samurai destinies. Fulfill your destiny, to lead them. I've been saving these until you were ready. Take them. Your fellow samurai are on their way.
I'm ready to lead. Symbol power! Horse!
Never forget the mission of the Samurai Ranger. Be brave, work together, and no matter what, don't ever give up.
Ha! Samurai forever! Yeah!
Those lame Rangers should have shown up by now. This should get their attention. Booyah!
The Ranger emblem! Wait! I'm Kevin, and I'm here to fight with you. I'm sorry. I didn't know the Red Ranger was the girl.
I'm not the Red Ranger. I'm the Pink. My name's Mia.
Are you the Red Ranger?
No, I'm the Blue.
Oh.
You guys must be my peeps.
You're the Red Ranger?
No, I'm Mighty Green.
Whoa.
With an answer like that, you have to be the Red Ranger.
Yes, I am the Red Ranger.
We're your team of samurai.
Let me warn you now. If you follow me, there is no turning back. Either we defeat the Nylok together, or they will take over the world. I will give these to only those who are ready to accept the challenge. Do not accept because you were trained to do so. Accept only if you are willing to commit and fight as Samurai Power Rangers with all your heart.
Without hesitation.
I've been planning for this since I was a little girl. So yes.
I'm ready to give it all I've got.
Okay. Do we have to be so formal? Let's do this thing.
Let's go.
Come on down!
That's enough!
Huh? Well, it's about time. Come on! Who are you punks?
We're the Samurai Rangers! Samuraiser! Go, go, Samurai!
Moogers! Get him!
Watch out! I'm gonna
fillet or you fish faces? Ha! Ha!
Just like chopping down weeds back home.
Oh, wow. I'm really getting my workout for the day.
Did someone order a chopped Mooger salad?
Is this the best you can do? Whoa! Huh? Jaden!
Oh no! There's dozens of them!
Yeah, but we can hold them off.
But they keep coming!
I will help you. Hang tight.
Guys, we can do this together. Ha! Fire Smasher!
What's he doing?
Have a nice flight!
Wow! Jaden's incredible!
Yeah, but there's too many of them. Come on, we gotta help him out.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. Ha! 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 Hydro Ball! Ha! Bullseye!
Huh. Yeah! Sky Fan! Time to blow you away! Earth Slicer!
Hey! That was a pretty good move, but I got more than one trick up my sleeve. Force Spear! Spin Cycle Sayonara! Booyah!
Take this, skirt face!
Guess what? Your ride's here.
Time to take you for a ride! I'm thinking this'll make an impact on you.
Did you see how I rocked that Mooger?
What about Jaden? Yeah, we all did great.
Great samurai moves. You really are a master samurai.
Thanks, but we're not done. Each Nylock has 2 forms. You saw the first. Now get set for the Mega Monster.
5 full bump. Time to crush some Ranger bums.
Whoa! Look at the size of him!
How are we supposed to fight him now?
Guys, we could fight this Nylock. Remember your training. We all have our own folding Zord. If we each use our symbol power, we can morph into Mega Mode.
Cool!
Oh.
You're right. Follow my lead. Lion Folding Zord. Mega Mode Power. Ha! Mega Mode Power. Yeah.
We're right behind you. Dragon Folding Zord.
Turtle Folding Zord.
Bear Folding Zord.
Ape Folding Zord.
Mega Mode Power. Wow! Check it out!
Oh, sweet!
Definitely.
Nice.
Here goes!
Bad kitty!
We'll help you, Jaden. I'll come from the left. Huh.
I'll take him from the right.
Time to wipe that smile right off your skirt.
My turn to give it a whirl.
I better get busy making you dizzy! Delicious!
Oh no, I'm stuck!
Hold on, Mia!
Grin and bear it!
Spit her out, skirt breath!
Thanks, Mike.
No problemo.
Trying to get away, eh?
My turn. Heads up. Let me take care of this. Mega Blade, Dragon Splash. Mega Blade, Pentagonal Fury.
Samurai Rangers, victory is ours. That'll teach him to mess with the Samurai Rangers.
What a rush. We did good.
Piece of cake. We could have never done it without each other.
Thank you for leading us into battle.
Bravo! Such energy, such grace.
Who is that?
This is G, our mentor.
Welcome to your new home. You've all come from different places and families, but share one noble goal. I'm very proud of how you've come together.
We just followed some good advice and worked as a team.
Yes, but you are not just any team. You are the Samurai Rangers.
Rangers together! Samurai forever!